Hello guys, so this is a stop motion app and I'm going to tell you guys how to work it. It is a free app, so as you can see you just hit new movie and then on the side there is a question mark and that's going to show you all of the little buttons. It'll pop up what everything does. To start taking pictures, you're going to snap the big red button, basically. Really easy. Whatever objects you're using, you want to move them very little. So every small movement, you'll take a snapshot and then go back and move them. Small movements, take another snapshot. However you want to do it. If you make too large movements, it's not going to flow very well. So you want to take the small movements. So here I'm setting a timer. You can set a timer, and this one I set for 5 seconds. So what happens here is every snapshot, as you can hear it, it's going to go every 5 seconds. And then will snap on its own. So it kind of keeps your hands free to move your objects. You can stack objects like the person here is doing. But like I said, every small movement you want to take a snapshot of. And I had her put her hand in the screen of that last one, and that way I can show you guys how to edit that out. And it's really easy. All right, so we've hit play, and here we can see our film. I'm gonna do it one more time. There you go. All right, so we're gonna move our objects. We're gonna turn off our timer. And next, I'm gonna show you guys some of the other things you can do. So here you can mess around with the camera. So what we have it on right now, oh, well there, that's a front view, so that was me. Hello. So you can do manual, automatic, you can mess with the zoom, all kinds of stuff. So the automatic is the best because it auto focuses for you. And I'm not very good at manual because I'm no photographer at all, so I need it to focus for me. Okay, so clicking this, it'll get you back to each separate little shot you've taken, and there's the one with the hand. And then you're going to click on it, and then all of these come up, all of the things you can do. You can, what I did is delete that. You can cut, you can slice, you can add in. For that one, since her hand was in it, I just wanted to show you how to delete it. All right, and then we played it, and we saw that it was all good without the hand in it. All right, so on the side here, we have other things you can do in the app. You can add sound, and as you can see, I've realized that my microphone was not on, so then you go to your settings in your phone for this app, and then you see on the right hand side where it says microphone, you turn it on, and then you just go back to your stop motion app you can actually just like double click your home button and then get back to it. Right there you go. So we're back in, and I'm going to pull back up there it is. And then you can add your sound, your audio, and there you go. And I think we tried with it and we didn't get a whole bunch of audio, but this is just an instructional video, so you don't really have to hear it. You just need to hear me telling you about it. Again, we're showing the video, It's amazing how just a little bit of movements will move it the whole way. So, again, this is how you start recording. We're going to try it again real quick. Okay, and then one more time. It will keep playing until you pause it. It will not stop. So if you're wanting to edit, you pause it and then go to the different shots. Okay, so this part is all the movies I've made, and we're gonna go in, and it shows you how you can share everything. And this is exactly what you're going to share. You're not going to share like where when you saw the person's hands in there. You're just going to share the small video. Alright. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this. This has some more things you can do. You can change the filter. So here it is in black and white. You'll notice there's other things there that are locked out. That's if you wanted to purchase the app, more things for the app, and then we're just using the free version, so we don't have those other things. All right, you're going to pull down your screen here, and then you can see you can rename your project. So it defaults as my stop motion video, and then or my stop motion movie, and then I'm going to rename it Disney Friends. You can name it whatever you want. After typing it in, hit done at the top. There's your video. And then you can share it. So in the upper left corner, actually, you're going to select it first, and then in the upper left corner, you can export it. You can make it into a GIF. You can do all kinds of things with it. And there it is. And that was our stop motion instructions. Thank you guys for listening.